toiling so hard on writing a killer pitch deck, delivering it efficiently is very important. It requires practice and asking yourself some critical questions so it will persuade the investors to invest in your idea. Let's look at some points to keep in mind when pitching to an investor. In this video, we will look at the following points. 1. Delivering an elevator pitch. Number 2. Making it crisp and clear. Number 3. Telling a story. Number 4. Being clear on numbers. Let's look at each one of them. Elevator pitch. The first and foremost thing is your elevator pitch. Just imagine yourselves in the shoes of an investor. How many of such pitches must they have heard daily in their lives? Why should they be drawn into yours? Why should they be interested to learn further about your business idea? That is why preparing an awesome elevator pitch is the key. Elevator pitch, as the name suggests, means pitching to a prospective client or an investor in less than 30 seconds. In other words, you should be able to convince the prospect by the time they complete the elevator ride between 20 to 60 seconds. So, think of using keywords that describe your USP, which is unique selling proposition, in your speech. Since it is only one line, you should attract the investor within 19 to 20 words on an average. Here are some important tips to keep in mind for the elevator pitch. An elevator pitch should cover what you do, why you are unique in the market, what problem are you solving. And all of this should be delivered in 30 seconds. So, practicing well before the actual pitching is vital to your success of raising capital. An example of an elevator speech would be, I have a huge passion for education. I bring relevance in education by creating skill-based courses to narrow down the gap between education and employment so the youth can create a successful career. Number 2. Make it crisp and clear. The deck should not be more than 10 to 12 slides. Cover the problem, your solution, team, subscriptions, size of the market, and how you're different and if there is any dip in sales. Number 3. Tell a story. Don't read it from the slides. The investors connect more if you have a compelling story to tell in terms of what dearth or gaps you're addressing in the market and how you're executing it. Remember, less is more. And don't forget to research your audience. This will help you deliver the speech tailored to their interest and personality. Number 4. Be clear on your numbers. The investors are looking to hear from you about your current traction, your customer acquisition cost, and what is the amount you're looking to raise and the percentage stake. So, conclude your speech by stating, I am looking for X amount for so-and-so needs. Number 5. Conclude right. End the speech by saying thank you after the numbers part, which will reflect on your persona. Only with practice you can do it right. Ask a friend to record it and review it later. Analyze the time it has taken for you to do the elevator pitch and rest of the slides. Also, check for clarity of delivery, being on the point, showing a positive attitude, and keeping it crisp all the way through. Skillioma, Beyond Curriculum.